Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to freeze your account on MEXC. To freeze your account on MEXC app, first of all, go ahead and open up your MEXC application from your mobile device. Once you're inside the home page, go ahead and log into your account with your credentials. After signing in, tap on the human icon located at the top left-hand corner and then click on the security button from the menu. From the security option, scroll all the way down and then tap on Manage Account. Under Manage MEXC Account, tap on Freeze Account. Select the region where you are trying to freeze your account from the menu and then click on Proceed. Agree to the terms and conditions by tapping on the little square box at the bottom and then click on Freeze Account button. Now, you will need to verify your email address and your phone number as well. Simply tap on the Get Code button on either side of the boxes and then enter the verification code sent to your email as well as SMS and then tap on Submit in order to freeze your account. So that is how you can easily freeze your account for MEXC. After you freeze your account on MEXC, your ability to trade, withdraw, or perform any account-related activity will be restricted. You will still be able to access and view your account balances and transaction history, but you won't be able to execute trades or transfers. To reactivate your account, you usually need to log in and go through a process to unfreeze it, which may involve verifying your identity or security settings. So that's how you easily freeze your account on MEXC. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.